I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by making sure the device is unlocked and has over 20% battery so the process won't interrupt. Once ready, unlock the phone and open Settings. If Talkback makes taps tricky, swipe with 2 fingers to scroll. Make sure you can enter your PIN or Google password when requested, because you'll need to confirm changes. Next, tap Accessibility from the main settings list. If you can't find it, use the settings search bar and type Accessibility to jump straight there. Once you're in Accessibility, find Talkback and open its settings. When Talkback is active, navigate with 2 fingers and double tap to activate items. When you reach the Talkback page, locate the main toggle and double tap to switch it off. A confirmation dialog will appear, so double tap Confirm. If the device supports an accessibility shortcut, you can also press both volume keys for 3 seconds to disable Talkback. Use this only if the shortcut is enabled. Finally, wait briefly for the interface to return to normal touch behavior. You're almost done. Test simple taps, open an app, and type to ensure Talkback is off. Once done, restart the device. This clears lingering gesture modes and restores single-finger navigation. If Talkback won't turn off, try holding both volume keys for 3 seconds to toggle the accessibility shortcut, or boot into safe mode to disable third-party accessibility apps. If nothing works, use a second device to follow instructions visually or contact the device manufacturer. This tip saves time when you're locked out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.